How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands in 3 minutes for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, dylanburke999. So first exercise we are going to do is extensions. Now for these exercises, I'm going to keep the reps short just because it is for beginners. So that's 10, keep going. Normally, most reps I'll keep to about 20 as the lowest. So quick little break, and I will give you guys rest periods. The more advanced videos that I have done, there have been times where I go up to 300, 400, 500 repetitions for a single exercise. And that workout, we might not do any breaks at all. So your hands are literally on fire. Now I've been doing this for a while. I've been training my hands, so I can do it very, very easily. But for beginners, you want to keep the reps low. You want to slowly incorporate these exercises into your routine. So you're just going to move these back and forth, just like this. Keep going. Do this for 20 seconds. And again, once you start training your hands, you'll be able to do more reps. So instead of doing 20 reps a set, you might start doing 30, 40, 50 reps. Then if you get good, you might be able to do 100, 150 rep sets. So you just got to keep training, you guys. Perfect. And your hands will get veiny. Trust me, they will get super veiny from doing this. Okay, so next exercise we're going to do is a squeezing exercise. So you're going to get your hands like this, and you're just going to make a fist, and you're going to squeeze really, really hard. You're going to hold this for 20 seconds. Now, for all of my veiny workouts, veiny hand workouts, what I like to do is pick an extension movement, a curling movement, a squeezing motion, and just a movement where you're just moving your fingers back and forth. So those are the 4 types of movements that I like to do, because it's not good to just do extensions the whole entire workout. It's good to do a variety of different type of movement. Just like with bodybuilding, you wouldn't just do flat barbell bench, dumbbell, flat dumbbell bench. You would do some incline work too. You do flat and incline work. Just like with your back, you wouldn't do just vertical pulling. You would also do horizontal pulling too. So you want different movement patterns, you guys. Okay, so we're going to go back to this one. This is a really good one. This is one of my favorites because, again, just by doing this, you can actually look and you can see your hands moving. You can see the veins moving. This is a really, really good exercise. It's underrated in my opinion, and it's amazing. So we're going to do some curls now. So again, just a beginner workout, not super, super tough, but this will get you guys started. So this is a great, great workout for beginners. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.